5 cylinders, 1 legacy, a mechanical masterpiece forged for the ultimate pursuit of performance. Precision at the micron level ensures that every curve serves a purpose: speed, stability, and soul. From the raw elements to the asphalt, subscribe to see the birth of a compact powerhouse.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Every RS3 begins in the crucible, where lightweight alloys are refined for maximum strength-to-weight ratios. The iconic 2.5-liter heart takes shape, cast in high-strength aluminum to withstand extreme boost pressures. Safety is the foundation of speed, starting with structural steel that can withstand immense forces. Quality is verified before the first bolt is turned, ensuring every component exceeds racing standards. Lightweight materials are the key to the RS3's agility, meticulously sourced and cut to shape. Autonomous logistics form the nervous system of the plant, delivering the right part at the exact millisecond of need. Vertical logistics maximize factory efficiency, feeding the assembly lines from specialized overhead reservoirs. Smart factory technology eliminates human error, ensuring every RS3 is built to its unique customer specification. Micrologistics manage the smallest hardware with the same intensity as the engine itself. Behind the physical steel is a digital architect, orchestrating the complex flow of a modern manufacturing masterpiece. Thousands of tons of pressure forge the RS3's wide-body stance, defining its aggressive performance DNA. Progressive trimming ensures that every aerodynamic edge is razor-sharp and perfectly symmetrical. Laser bonding technology provides the structural rigidity needed to handle the torque of the 5-cylinder engine. Human oversight and laser precision ensure that every panel meets the exacting standards of German engineering. Extreme heat followed by rapid cooling creates a safety cage that is lightweight yet virtually indestructible.
Molecular level cleaning is the prerequisite for the high-performance paint and bonding stages to follow. Controlled thermal stabilization ensures the metal remains perfectly flat before the high-precision refinement.
Intelligent vision systems maintain the complex flow, ensuring every RS-specific part finds its dedicated path.
RS3 fender identified, diverting to specialist line.
Hand finishing the high-stress edges ensures the body shell is free of burrs and ready for structural fusion. The purified panels are now ready to be fused into the high-rigidity frame of the ultimate compact sportback. Advanced joining technologies fuse dissimilar metals, creating a chassis that is both lightweight and incredibly stiff. Millimetric precision in the mounting points ensures the high-performance drivetrain aligns perfectly with the wheels. Structural adhesives double the stiffness of traditional welds, creating a vault-like interior and razor-sharp steering. In the world of RS, close enough doesn't exist. Every chassis is verified to the micron before it earns its badge. In the framing station, the body takes shape, fused together into a high-performance steel and aluminum fortress. Modern structural adhesives provide superior rigidity and noise insulation, complementing the heavy-duty welds. Laser seaming creates a seamless, continuous structure, maximizing the vehicle's structural integrity and aerodynamics. Millimetric gap control is essential for the RS3's high-speed stability and signature aggressive look. Hand finishing the metal ensures the paint will reflect light with absolute, undistorted clarity across the RS contours. Electrocoating uses physics to pull protective particles into every hidden crevice of the high-performance frame. Electrostatic application ensures 100% coverage with zero waste, giving the RS3 its iconic, high-impact color. A specialized clear coat provides the diamond-hard protection required for both daily driving and track abuse. Even the most advanced robotics rely on nature's softest materials to ensure a flawless, dust-free finish. The light tunnel is the ultimate judge, revealing every detail of the RS3's 10-layer paint journey. The legendary 5-cylinder heart is prepared, ready to be fused with its structural shell. The marriage, where the aerodynamic shell meets the brute force of Audi sport engineering. Precision-monitored fastening ensures the RS3 can handle the massive torsional stress of a 0 to 100 launch. Unsprung weight is minimized with forged alloys, providing the agility expected of an RS model. Interior luxury and racing ergonomics are finalized, bringing the cockpit of the RS3 to life. Every RS3 must survive a simulated life cycle of abuse in minutes, ensuring the interior stays rock solid under high G-loads. We simulate a century of storms to guarantee that the cockpit remains a watertight fortress at any speed. We simulate a century of storms to guarantee that the cockpit remains a watertight fortress at any speed. Digital perfection is verified by the cloud, ensuring every sensor and performance module is operating in harmony. Dynamic calibration ensures the Quattro system and the specialized suspension are tuned for millimetric accuracy. AI-powered vision shifts quality control from reactive to predictive, catching the smallest imperfections before they exist. Every RS3 is armored with protective films to ensure its aggressive aerobits remain showroom perfect during the journey.
All protected and ready to go. RS3 ready for transport.
Transport is handled with the same precision as assembly, moving this compact powerhouse from Ingolstadt to the global stage. And this is how modern engineering and human passion produce the Audi RS3 from start to finish. Engineering, performance, and an unmatched 5-cylinder soul, this is the pinnacle of the Sportback. Subscribe to see inside the world's most advanced factories.